In this short video, let us look at the following theorem. The probability of an event space is equal to sum of the probabilities of the individual events in the event space. These events are mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive within the event space. That is, given an event space B, which is equal to the union of the events B1, B2, union and so on up to Bm. That is, these events B1 to Bm are mutually exclusive. That is, Bi intersection Bj is an empty set, and the union of these events is equal to the event space. So we want to prove that the probability of the event space is equal to the sum of the individual probabilities, the sum of the probabilities of the individual events. So by using the axiom 3, that is probability of the events A1, A2, union A3 and so on, where the events A1, A2, A3 are mutually exclusive, is equal to probability of A1 plus probability of A2 and so on. By setting A1 is equal to B1, A2 is equal to B2 and so on up to Am is equal to Bm and Am plus 1 and so on, all the rest of the events are equal to empty set. Now by using this designation, or we can actually, by inserting this designation or these events in the axiom, we get probability of B1 union B2 union B3 and so on up to union Bm union empty set is equal to the sum of B1, the probability of B1, probability of B2 and so on up to probability of Bm plus probability of the empty set, which we know that is equal to 0. So, and this union is nothing but probability, this union is nothing but the set B, that is the event space B, is equal to the summation I equal to 1 to m probability of Bi plus 0, of course. So the probability of the event space is equal to sum of the probabilities of the individual events in the event space, where these events are mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive within the event space. Thanks for watching.